Okay, so this here authentic assessment activity is available for you to download. Let me explain how the design of the activities works. So the student can come in and click on their assessment details, and then they're asked to answer whether they acknowledge the assessment details, and if they don't know or understand a particular point, they can add what that is for the course convener to review. They then get introduced to the authentic assessment brief. In this case here, this is developed in H5P, and this sets the context for the actual assignment. You can go in and customize that with your own images and text. So the design pattern is forum, rubric for contributions to the forum, that is either a file or comments on other people's uploads. So in this first example here, we're getting people used to sharing their ideas with the class, and each student can go in and see the marking rubric for their postings and how well they articulate their thinking in a forum. This builds upon the next activity, which is where the student actually has to create a document, in this case here a networking memo, as do other students, and then they have to comment on each other's work. And again, the rubric is assessing the quality of their submission as well as their evaluation of other students' work. This builds again. So what we're doing is we're setting people up for the main group activity, whereby they are asked to work as a group and create a presentation. This task and the previous two are worth 20%, which is 60% in total. But the trick is that they're actually doing the group work to set themselves up for a good mark in their individual presentation. So they're asked to extend the group presentation, which is a neat trick for getting them to invest some time in doing some good work as a group. In this example here, we're using the group allocation activity, where each student can go in and add themselves to a member of a group for the group work. So everything is done automatically by Moodle. Then finally, in this design pattern, we get to the final presentation. They basically take what's been done on the group work and extend that there based on some given tasks. And every single forum has the submission details, the instructions at the top. So that is the authentic assessment design pattern. Finally, be aware that the Moodle development is based on a validated assessment. I encourage you, if you have not done so already, to attend the Assessment Design and Validity Workshop, where you will learn how to write a good assessment. This is really useful before you actually start doing any development work on Moodle.